Where can I find more information about this? Where can I buy this?
Yeah. Wow.
To open it. Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. And you know, those are two questions that I hear absolutely all the time. People watch the video and they're interested in what we're doing and they want more information. So they ask, you know, where can I find more information about this? Or where can I buy this? Do you have a link? Well, many times when they ask that question, we've already provided the answer for you either in the end screen of the video or in the description below the video. You just go down to the description and there'll be a link there that'll take you right to the website or right to wherever you can buy it, or take you to more videos that we've done that have more information about it. So when I hear questions like that, it's evident to me that people don't necessarily know how to completely navigate YouTube to be able to find out all of the information that you need. So I thought I would do this video so that it would make your viewing pleasure of our videos, as well as any other videos, the best that it can be, so that you can get all the information that we give or that other people give. Because we list so much information in the description below, and many creators give a lot more information than we do in the description. So let me show you first where you can find all that information on the laptop, and then I will also do it on my smartphone because it's a little bit different on the phone, and I know many of you watch our videos on the phone. So, okay, let's go. Let's go to the laptop. Now here we are on one of the recent videos that we did. This was a music video, and this is one that a lot of people asked or said something like, "It's so good to finally hear you play. Please play more." Or, "Do you have any other videos? Please do more music videos." Well, actually, we've already done a few, and we have them listed here for you.
God knows what we need best.
We have them here in the end screen. You can see right here at the end of the video. You just click on there and we have 6 other music videos that we've done. Also, it's in the description down below. Now this is the description, but there's only a couple lines, so in order to see the rest of it you have to click on right here, show more. And the whole thing opens up and you see right here is the playlist for our other music videos that we've done. So, and you see there's a lot more information here, and so anything that pertains to the video, about more information about it, or where you can find it, or where you can buy it, or whatever, we put links in the video description down below. So just click on show more. Now, another thing that you can do to find more information, if you click on our name or our picture here, it will take you to our home page on YouTube. Okay, so this is our home page, and right here you can find a bunch of, well, let's talk about videos first. Okay, if you click on here, you will see all of the videos that we have done, and these are in reverse order. So this is the newest one that we did, and then they go backwards. A lot of people sometimes say, "I really wish there was some way I could watch all of your videos in the order that you posted them." Well, you can. Click on videos, then come over here and click sort by, and then go down to oldest. It's a date added by the oldest first. So you can see here the very first one we did happened to be a Thrive video 6 years ago, and then a year after that we started with the tiny house renovation, and so you could see all of these that we did, starting with the oldest first. So if you want to watch in the order that we posted it, that's how you do it. You go here to sort by oldest. Now another thing you can do is the most popular, so you can see which of our videos are the most popular. Now you can see that our most popular viral video is our rocket stove, and it has over 4 million views. Our next most popular one is the 10 below video, and it has 1.6 million, and then it goes down from there. Our cubic mini wood stove is also very popular. This has this has a 500,000, and we actually have a playlist with about a dozen videos in there about the mini wood stove. We get a lot of questions about the stove, and many of those questions are answered in the other videos if you just go watch the playlist. So now let's take a look at playlists. If you go up here and click on playlists, it will show you all the playlists that we have created, and we have a lot of them. Here's Tea with G's, 190 videos. Gardening, 15 videos so far. Debt freedom and finance, 7 videos. You can see that we have a lot of content here broken up into categories so that you can find things that you're interested in watching. And then we also have community and about and several other things up here. You can go ahead and check those out. But the main thing is to know how to get back to our home page, which you do just by clicking on our name underneath of a video. Okay, so here we are on the phone, and we're on the same song. And notice right here at the end is the same end screen that shows our playlist. Also, in order to find the description below the video on the phone, it's a little bit harder. But you see this little down arrow right there. That tells you that there is a pull down menu there. So you can either click on the little arrow there or anywhere in the title, basically, and it'll open up the description down here. So you can see here now, there's the list of the playlist, and there's all the other information that we have down there. So the description is still there. You just need to know how to find it on the phone because it's not real obvious. Now, just like on the laptop, if you touch our name right here, then it's going to open up to our channel main page. And up here you can see here's all of the playlists, and they're all listed there, and you can see we have many. We have 30 some playlists. And we have the same thing here as we did on the laptop. You can see all of our videos here in the order that, in reverse order from where we put them in. Right here you can change to most popular or oldest or newest, so you can see them in the order that you want. Now, I have also occasionally had people tell me that they can't make comments on their phone, but that's not the case. You can do that too. You just have to know where to find them. You just scroll down, and what you see here is all of these suggested videos, and then underneath of the suggested videos you'll see the comments, and you can just click right in here to make a comment. So I hope that's helpful for those of you who are maybe new to YouTube or have never really completely understood how to navigate. There's the description where we have a lot of information, and there's the playlists where you can see a lot of more videos that are related to the video that we've put on. I hope that's helpful to you, and thanks for watching. Live simple, live free. Be blessed.